Hi friends, once again welcome back to my another video of craft. In this video I am going to show you button craft project that you can use without needing specific ideas ahead of time. This button craft a creative exploration of color, texture and design. Button craft is a delightful and versatile form of art that transforms ordinary buttons into extraordinary creations. This project invites participants to explore their imagination, creativity, and design skills through the simple yet powerful medium of buttons. Using buttons of various shapes, sizes, colors, and textures, individuals and create stunning artworks, decorative items, and even practical objects. The process requires minimal tools, primarily glue, a base surface like cardboard, canvas, or fabric, and a rich assortment of buttons. Optional embellishments such as beads, ribbons, lace, and paint can further enhance the final piece. This craft is suitable for all age groups and can be easily adapted for different skill levels. It promotes fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and patience. Whether the final product is a vibrant button mosaic, a charming wall hanging, a personalized gift card, or an upcycled item like a photo frame or jar lid, the creative possibilities are endless. Each button carries a unique history, and when combined thoughtfully, they tell a visual story that is both personal and artistic. Perfect for school assignments, DIY home decor, or as a therapeutic activity, button crafts blend functionality with artistic flair. It's not about perfection, it's about expression and experimentation and the joy of making something beautiful with own hands. In button crafting, the creative journey often begins with collecting buttons from old clothes, jars, sewing kits, or even thrift stores. Each button holds character. Some are shiny and smooth, others vintage with intricate carvings, and few may be even whimsical or shaped like stars, animals, or hearts. They deserve variety allows for endless combinations, giving each project a unique personality. Button craft can be as simple or elaborate as one desires. For beginners, creating button flowers or a canvas or decorating a bookmark with a simple pattern is a great start. More advanced crafters might attempt intricate button portraits, mandalas, or seasonal decorations like Christmas trees, autumn leaves, or themed ornaments. The tactile experience of selecting, placing, and gluing each button is both meditative and rewarding, making it a soothing escape from digital screens and fast paced routines. One of the most beautiful aspects of button craft is sustainability. By repurposing old buttons, this craft promotes recycling and creative reuse. Even broken or mismatched buttons can find new life as part of abstract of mixed media art. So guys, I really hope that you really like this. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.